Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the smaller version of these Chanel inspired perfume bottles. I do want to give a quick shout out to Beauty Meets DIY. She is very creative and I love her DIYs. This video was inspired by her video and I will leave a link below so you can check out her channel. If you're interested in the larger bottle, let me know in the comments below. I added my own twist, so I hope you'll enjoy the video. Are the items that you will need. I have my striped ribbon. These are a travel Jenga game that I bought on Amazon. Little baby roses. And I'll link everything down below so you'll have everything that you need. This little strand of pearl. This is actually a cap to a hairspray. This is the smaller glass block, and I got that at Michael's. This is a 5.5 by 5.5, 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter pearls. A pair of scissors, pliers, and these are just really to cut the wires off the roses, so that's the pliers. You'll also need some of these beaded ribbon. I'm going to start by gluing the wood pieces together. And one thing is they're not always perfectly even. And what I do is I put them in rows of 3s and then stack them 3 by 3 and then do the same on another set and then put the 2 sets together. I went ahead and spray painted it in silver just to have a silver background behind the ribbon because the ribbon is see-through. And then next you're just gonna wrap the ribbon around and hot glue them. I will say be careful here. The hot glue does go through the ribbon, so I would suggest using a utensil so you don't touch that hot glue because it's hot. They're vinyl sticker sheets, and basically it's a sticker, so you can actually just cut it and use it. So I printed this. I just found this online. If you look up Chanel logos, you can find it that way. I printed one. It was too big, so I needed to go a little smaller. So I'm just going to use the smaller one. next we're gonna take this and we're going to peel it because it's a sticker. Kind of playing around here, so I want to see. I'm thinking of kind of putting these but letting them dangle. All right, so now I'm going to glue these around. Fill these up. I'm going to fill this up with the pearls. Okay, a lot of trial and error here. I had to take some of the pearls out so I can put the tea lights in. Okay, so I decided to make a little paper for it to glue on, just because the circle is the exact size of the top, so it needed a little bit of leverage. So I'm gonna just glue this around the outside. A bunch of pearls and a bunch of ribbon, and I'm gonna just kind of intermingle it, and I'm gonna make a bow. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a bow. I'm gonna do another bow. Kind of on top of it. And we're just gonna throw these strands of pearls. I'm just gonna tie it in a knot in between and underneath it. Again, it doesn't matter because we're going to glue roses on top of it. Next, we're going to take all these little roses that we have, and we're going to just kind of glue them up around the neck. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.